Breaking news po mga kababayan, SP Cayetano pinatalsik po sa Senado ngayon bilang Senate President. Nagsagawa po ng Senate session ang minority ni Tito Soto at nag-declare si Iskul Bukol ng all position will be vacant. At ngayon po mga kababayan, nagtalaga ng bagong Senate President sa katauhan ni Will Gatchalian. Mga kababayan, nasa batas ba ito mga kababayan? Naku po, gumagawa po ng sariling batas yung mga Iskul Bukol. Panoorin po natin ang walang kwentang ginagawa ng minority at biglang pinatalsik si SP Cayetano. Talagang totoo yung sinasabi ni Senator Marcoleta na talagang gugulihin nila ang Blue Ribbon Committee yung pagsisimula bukas. So ngayon mga kababayan, si SP Cayetano pinalitan na ni Will Gatchalian. Ito po ang pasabog mga kababayan. Nako po, bending dalo. Ito na.
Amen.
Nako po.
The Secretary will call the roll.
Grabe ito mga kababayan ko.
Mavic, the Deputy
Let it
Secretary.
be put on record that the Secretary refused to call the roll. Let the Deputy Secretary for Legislation to call the roll.
Roll call of members. The Honorable Senators Aquino, Cayetano Pia, De La Rosa, Ejercito, Escudero, Estrada, Gatchalian, Go, Hontiveros, Lacson, Lapid, Legarda, Marcoleta, Marcos, Padilla, Pangilinan, Soto, Tulfo Erwin, Tulfo Rafi, Villanueva, Villar Camille, Villar Mark, Zubiri, Senate President Cayetano Alan.
With 12 senators present, the Chair declares a quorum.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move to declare all elected positions in the Senate vacant.
Is there any objection? Duly seconded. The motion is approved.
Pwede ba yun mga kababayan na mag-declare sila ng all position will be vacant dahil wala ang majority? Naku mga kababayan, matindi po itong pasabog na ito. Bakit ginawa ito ng mga kupal na one-ball na senator? Itong minority, nagsagawa ng sariling desisyon without the majority mga kababayan. At si SP Cayetano pinatalsik dito. At si Gatchalian na ang SP. Naku mga kababayan, isa ng paglabag ito sa ligang batas. Naku po.
Majority Leader.
Naku po.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move that we proceed with the election of the Senate President Pro Temp.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Pwede ba yun?
I hereby move and nominate Senator Sherwin Gatchalian as the Senate President Pro Tempore.
Pwede ba yun mga kababayan?
Is there any objection? Duly seconded. The motion is approved. Thank you, dear
mga
colleagues.
kababayan ko. Talagang
Majority Leader.
matindi itong bending dalo na ito.
Ikaw na. Sige, ikaw na.
Naku mga kababayan.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move that we elect Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri as Chairman of the Committee on Rules.
Is there
Nako
any
po.
objection? Duly seconded. The motion is approved.
Naku po mga kababayan.
Thank you very much, my dear
Anong
colleagues.
ginawa ng mga ito?
My dear colleagues, I move that we proceed with the oath-taking of the Senate President Pro Tempore.
Naku
I so move.
mga kababayan, pwede
And we
ba
will
yun?
ask Senator Soto, the most senior member of this chamber, to proceed with the oath to our new Senate President Pro Tem.
Pwede ba yun mga kababayan? Pwede ba yun? Hala ka, pwede ba itong ginagawa ng mga one-bull na ito? Naku po, antayin natin ang pasabog ni Marcoleta at ni SP Cayetano dito sa ginagawa ng mga minority. Talagang haharangin nila yung Blue Ribbon Committee bukas. Naku po, mga kababayan ko, alam natin, naku, people power na talaga ito.
Having been elected to the position of Senate President pro tempore, do hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and of all others I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities, and maintain true faith and allegiance to the Republic of the Philippines.
Mga kababayan, anong masasabi nyo? Uunahin mo pa bills pending kaysa malaman sinong nagnakaw ng trilyon sa kaban ng bayan. Talagang madami pa ding bobong Pinoy hanggang ngayon. Last year pa pinagtakpan ni Tutang Sen at Pinky Lacson ng flood control scandal. Sa wakas, Tom, mabubuksan na rin. Be ready, maleta gang. Naku po mga kababayan ko. Naku, ano kayang meron dito? Bakit anong ginawa ng mga ito?
And that I impose this obligation upon myself all the time, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Senate President pro tempore.
Majority Leader,
Mr. President, I move that we proceed with the election of the Senate Secretary.
is there any objection? Hearing none, motion's approved.
Mr. President, I move to nominate and elect Secretary Ray Bantug Jr. to the position of Senate Secretary. There being no other nominations present.
Is there any objection? Duly seconded. The motion is approved.
Mr. President, I'd like to also move to proceed with the election of the Senate Sergeant at Arms.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Mr. President, I move to nominate and elect Police Major General Alfredo Soto Corpus to the position of Sergeant at Arms, there being no other nomination. I so
Is
move.
there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Mr. President, I move that we give their oaths of office together.
Mga kababayan, pwede ba itong ginagawa ng mga one bull na ito na basta-basta silang magpapalit ng position at gawing vacant po ang mga position sa committee? So dito mga kababayan, lumalabas po na si Will Gatchalian na ang bagong SP ng Senado at ngayon papalitan na rin ang ang leadership ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Naku, mga kababayan ko, one bull na talaga dito ang nangyayari. Ano nang sasabihin ni Marcoleta at Cayetano dito?
I state your name. Having been elected to the position of do hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully discharge
Lahat po mga kababayan, pati Sergeant at Arms, pinalitan na rin para anytime po na may huhulihin po. Halimbawa si Senador Marcoleta, itong si Chis Escudero, si Bongo, talagang wala nang kokontra sa kanila. Hawak na nila ang Senado ngayon mga kababayan ko. Naku po, grabe na talaga.
the best of my ability, the duties of my present position, and of all others I may hereafter owe, under the Republic of the Philippines, to will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authority, and maintain true faith and allegiance to the Republic
Mga kababayan ko, mag-comment po kayo. Nasa batas ba o sa ligang batas or naaayon ba? Pag ang pag-uusapan ay susundin natin ang proseso at legalidad ng pagpapalit ng liderato ng Senado, gaya ng pagpapatalsik kay SP Cayetano. Ito kasing may majority mga kababayan, napagdesisyonan ng majority sa panahon po ni SP Cayetano at Marcoleta na hindi muna pumasok at i-cancel po ang session sa Senado para po hindi po maharang ang pag-iimbestiga ng flood control issue na sisimulan na po bukas. Naka-ready na po ang lahat mga kababayan. So ngayon kung ganito ang mangyayari, wala na po mga kababayan. Ano na ang kasunod na hakbang ni SP Cayetano at ni Marcoleta? Nako mga kababayan, matinding gulo ito. Bending dalo na talaga ang nangyayari. Isipin nyo, abogado versus mga one ball. Sino kaya ang tama sa kanila? Nako po mga kababayan ko.
of the Philippines. To the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily.
And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily
Without mental reservation.
without mental
Or
reservation
purpose of illusion.
or purpose of
So
evasion.
help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, gentlemen. Congratulations.
Congratulations to the new Sergeant at Arms and to the new Secretary, our comebacking Secretary of the Senate. Mr. President, I move to elect the following senators as chairpersons of the following committees. Senator J.V. Ejercito, Chairman of the Committee of Finance. Senator Tito Soto, Chairman of the Committee on National Defense. Chairman Panfilo Ping Lacson, Chairman of the Committee on Public Order and Committee on Accounts. Chairman Erwin Tulfo, the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and Investigations and Social Welfare and Rural Development. Chairman Senator Rafi Tulfo to the Committee on Public Services. Chairman Bam Aquino to the Committee on Basic Education. Senator Kiko Pangilinan, Chairman of the Committee on Agriculture. Senator Risa Ontiveros, Chairman of the Committee on Health. Senator Lito Lapid as Chairman of the Committee on Games and Amusements. Senator Chis Escudero to retain his Committee on Housing. And yours truly, Senator Zubiri, as Chairman of the Committee on Foreign Relations. I
Is there
so
any
move.
objection? Hearing none, the motion of the majority leader is hereby approved.
Mr. President, I move to consider PS Resolution number 432. This is the resolution amending Rule 2 of the Rules of Procedure on impeachment trials to provide for the election of a presiding officer in all cases not involving the President of the Philippines. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move to adopt PS Resolution number 432. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection?
Ang gagaling
Hearing
ng mga
none,
one ball.
motion is approved.
Nako po mga
Mr.
kababayan
President,
ko.
may we ask the Secretary to read the title of the measure for
Ako po.
clarity? And place on record the title of the resolution.
Paano kaya ito mga kababayan? Itutuloy pa ba ang flood control issue? Nako po, wala na po mga kababayan. Inagaw na muli. At yung liderato ni SP Cayetano binuwag na. At sila lang po ang nag-usap. Sila lang na minority mga kababayan ko. Nako, 12 po yung Senate. Sino kaya ang bumaliktad dito mga kababayan ko? Hala ka, matindi pong balita ito.
Resolution amending Rule 2 of the Rules of Procedure in Impeachment Trials to provide for the election of a presiding officer in all cases not involving the President of the Philippines.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I also move to consider proposed Senate concurrent resolution number 10. The Secretary is directed to read only the title of the resolution without prejudice of inserting the full text thereof.
Concurrent resolution providing for the adjournment sine die of the first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines not later than 12 o'clock midnight today, June 3, 2026.
Mr. President, I move to adopt Senate concurrent resolution number 10.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Mr. President, in conformity with the Senate concurrent resolution that we have just adopted, I move that the Committee on the Senate provided therein be composed of Senators J.V. Ejercito, Francis Pangilinan, and Rafi Tulfo. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved. Senators J.V. Arcito, Francis Pangilinan, Rafi Tulfo, and shall compose the Committee of the Senate to inform the President of the Republic of the Philippines that the first regular session of the 20th Congress is ready to adjourn sine die.
Thank you very
Mga kababayan, parang si Chis Escudero yung bumaliktad dito kasi 12 na senator po yung present. Totoo kaya ito?
much, Mr. President. And just for clarity, the PS resolution we earlier approved is 430. The number is 430. 430? 430. Mr. President, before we adjourn, the chair would like to state for the
Mr.
record
President,
why
Majority
we
Leader,
compelled
before we
today.
adjourn,
Yes.
allow me to give a few remarks. Before we adjourn, ladies and gentlemen, the chair would like to state for the record that we are compelled to call the session to order today. After the Senate adjourned on May 26, 2026, session was scheduled to resume on Monday, June 1, 2026, and on Tuesday, June 2, 2026. But the former Senate President failed to appear in both instances.
Ayan, ibig sabihin mga kababayan, cancel po yung Blue Ribbon Committee. Naku po, totoo kaya ito? Ba't nagkakaganitong Senado?
Further, Article 6, Section 16(5) of the Constitution provides that neither House shall, during sessions of Congress, adjourn for more than 3 days without the consent of the other House. The Senate has been adjourned and unable to resume session for the past 2 days, placing us on the brink of constitutional violation had we not convened today. Thus, in the absence of a duly consulted postponement and the continued absence of the former Senate President pro tempore, and members of the majority, we are compelled to call the session to order. The quorum of 12 is based on majority of 22 senators, over whom jurisdiction can be obtained by the Senate. This is in full accord with the ruling of the court in Avellino versus Cuenco, that an absolute majority of 12 out of the 23 members can constitute a constitutional majority of the Senate for quorum purposes, and with precedent, specifically the May 5, 2015 session, where the quorum was based on 17 available senators, with 7 others beyond the Senate's coercive jurisdiction. Thank you.
Thank you
dear
very
colleagues.
much for the clarity, Mr. President. Mr. President, let the record reflect that the chair, as Senate President pro tempore, shall serve as acting president pursuant to Rule 5. Yes. Presiding officer of the Senate pursuant to Rule 5, Section 4C and 5 of the Rules of the Senate.
Wala na mga kababayan, hindi na abogado ang Senate President at hawak na po ng Malacanang. At talaga mga school bukol na po ang nanguna dito. Dahil nga po, kinancelled po ang session ngayon ng majority ni SP Cayetano at grupo ni Marcoleta. Ngayon po mga kababayan, baliwala na po ang pagka-SP ni Cayetano. Sinibak po dito mga kababayan. Naku po, ano nang mangyayari sa Pilipinas?
Pursuant to our rules, the wording is actually acting president, Mr. President, on our rules. Just for the record, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, I move that the President of the Republic of the Philippines and the House of Representatives be informed of the election of Senate President pro tempore and acting Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion of the majority leader is hereby approved.
Mr. President, I move that the first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines on the part of the Senate be adjourned sine die.
Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved. The first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines on the part of the Senate is adjourned sine die.
Wow, gagaling na ng mga kupal, mga kababayan ko. Gumagawa sila ng sarili nilang batas. Ayan na, wala na. Kayo na mag-translate mga kababayan. Acting lang ba ito or tuloy-tuloy na ito, mga kababayan ko? Naku, mga kababayan ko. Kayo na humusga. Ano nang nangyayari dito? Mga kababayan, kayo na humusga dito. Palakpakan na po mga kupal, mga kababayan. Ayan po mga kababayan ko. Anong masasabi nyo dito? For transparency, for a better democracy, this is the Wonders Philippines. Mabuhay po mga kababayan.